Hello everyone, we are in week 8, my final presentation. I'll be presenting and discussing 5 important things, interesting points, one thing I would like to share with my family, and my most surprising. The 5 important things I selected were decision making, the prescriptive model by Heber Simon, the concept of federalism, the different types of leadership, Max Weber and bureaucracy, and learning about the economy, the separation of politics versus administration. Interesting points. Learning the different theories of leadership, transformational, traditional, situational leader, and skill theory, and how you could apply those leadership skills to your job and build a better relationship with those, learning those different types of theories of leadership, decision making, learning the different techniques to make better decisions. And also what surprised me was about the state versus the federal, how the state overpowers the federal and state makes the final decision. Something that I will share with my family and friends, I will share about learning the different traits of leadership and how they could relate to their job, and how important it is to be an effective leader by using all those different leadership, all those leadership traits and applying them to your job. My most surprising is learning about bureaucracy. It's not a bad word. Actually, it's so important to apply bureaucracy in an organization. Applying all 6 characteristics in a organization, it will help the organization run smoother. So, bureaucracy it's good to have in following the characteristics of bureaucracy. It will help the organization. So this concludes my presentation. I wish you all best of luck and God bless you. Thank you.